3. Multiply. 1 is equal to 3. 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. 3 multiply 4 is equal to 1, 2. 3 multiply 5 is equal to 1, 5. 3 multiply 6 is equal to 1, 8. 3 multiply 7 is equal to 2, 1. 3 multiply 8 is equal to 2, 4. 3 multiply 9 is equal to 2, 7. 3 multiply 1, 0 is equal to 3, 0.